Alright, so this is the character chart you worked on this morning, hopefully on your own. I'm not going to go over the whole lesson today. I'm just going to go over the answers. You should have re-looked at your stories. Where I live, and Sarah, Cynthia, Sylvia Stout would not take the garbage out. For this, you were making a list of actions the character takes and what that tells you about the character. So this is making an inference, or we were calling it synthesizing. Okay? So Elena, she tells people to pick up their litter. She gets angry when she sees waste on the street. She dreams about choosing ice cream flavors. She dreams out a flower box with beautiful flowers. You could add other things here, but they already filled the box up for us. These tell me about her. She's kind of bossy. She cares about the environment. She doesn't like the way it looks with garbage. She wants it to look nice. Also, these two things tell me she has hope about the future. And I know she likes ice cream and she likes flowers, or she likes things to look beautiful. So just some things I could tell about her. Please remember when you're checking this, if your answers are slightly different from mine, that does not mean they're wrong. We all write things a little bit differently. But if you feel like you're missing a part of this, you should go ahead and add it. Okay? For Sarah, some of her actions, the big one, she would not take the garbage out. Everyone should have that on their paper. She doesn't listen to her parents. Her dad says, take out the garbage. She ignores him. She lets the garbage pile up across the United States. Remember, it says from the Golden Gate all the way across. So, what does this tell her? She's messy. She's pretty stubborn and she is disobedient. And she's very lazy. Many of you probably have the chore of taking out the garbage. It's not fun, but it's not that hard. She's very lazy. She doesn't care about how the garbage affects other people. She doesn't even care about how it affects her, right? All her friends move away, and in the end, she ends up possibly dying. It doesn't really say, but that's what I think it means. Okay? When you finish this side, you don't have a partner to talk with, so we're getting rid of that. But you see this little arrow here, it tells you to go to the back of this paper. And on the back there's 3 questions. These are opinion questions, so you cannot get them wrong, but you should be able to answer them in 5th grade sentences. So, who would you rather be friends with? Restate the question and tell me why. So that says, I would rather be friends with blank because that would be an appropriate 5th grade response. And then, what advice would you give to Elena? So think about Elena. Maybe you're going to give her advice about how not to be bossy. Maybe you're going to give her advice about how to clean up. Maybe about her flowers. You choose what you want to give advice about, but 2 sentences on what advice you would give Elena. And then, what advice would you give Sarah? Same thing, 2 sentences. Okay? These 3 questions and this chart need to be completed for today. This is the end of Unit 7. Tomorrow is your quiz, and then we have a project, and then we're moving on to something new. If you have any questions, please let me know.